Okay, first and foremost, I have to give a sincere thank you to my good friend, Chad Swagger, for surprising me with this awesome Grease Rookie logo. I love it. So, in case you didn't notice it, there it is. It is on top of the YouTube channel. Oh, jeez. Looks awesome. Thank you, Chad. You're the man. I'll put a link to his Instagram and website in my description. You should check him out. He's an awesome guy, very talented. Moving on. Okay, so regretfully, this week was a very busy week, and I wasn't able to work on the cooling system in large chunks in the evenings like I have been for the vlog. So I didn't film a lot of the work I got done. Rather than waiting, I was just too excited to see how the engine was going to run, and I worked on it here and there, and it did not lend itself well to setting up my phone and recording what I was doing. So I'm going to cover real quick what I did, and then we'll get into how the thing ran. Let's see, I reinstalled the fan pulley, I got the belt on, wrapped around the alternator, I got new hoses on, new radiator hoses on, changed the oil and filter, the radiator is back in. Let's check out how all this turned out and how the thing runs. All right, the cooling system's complete. Bypassed the heater core for now. Just ran it around, ran it from the water pump up around and into the carb spacer there. And I got temporary fuel supply coming down through an inline filter into the carburetor. And we're gonna see if we can get it started. We can get it to run for more than 10 seconds. I'm super pumped about this. Man, what an amazing sense of accomplishment. Like I said, I am by no means an expert at any of this stuff. I have a little bit of knowledge from when I grew up, but you know, a lot of this stuff I'm just flying by the seat of my pants and I'm researching as I go. So to me, this is a huge accomplishment, and man, I'm just pumped. Okay, so obviously the engine runs pretty good, and it's pretty safe to say at this point that there are no major problems. So, where am I going from here? Well, I haven't mentioned the transmission yet, and I haven't tested the transmission yet. I have not put it in gear to see what's going to happen because I have no braking system. There's no brake fluid in the master cylinder. The push rod is seized. I have no brakes. So I have not had the guts to, while the thing is running, throw it in drive because I do not have any brakes to slow the thing down before I put it back in park. So the next order of business is the braking system, unless someone has any advice on how to deal with that situation as far as throwing it in drive without brakes. To me, it seems like a bad idea. Okay, so I haven't turned on the car since mid-Sunday. It's Wednesday evening. We're gonna see if it'll fire up on the first try. I think likely it will. It's warm out, but let's take a look-see. No leaks in the cooling system. Everything seems to be good. I don't know. Let it sit a minute. I still don't have the alternator hooked up, that's why that light's on. Shame on me. bad at all. I don't know how much fuel was in the carburetor, and right now I'm filling it down through that line, so I gotta pump it several times, I guess, before I can get it started. So, still figuring some stuff out, but I like the way it runs. It sounds good.